Good morning, students. Today, in lecture number 9 on the essay of friendship, we are going to discuss the details of friendship. For example, the benefits, importance, uses, and also the fruits. In the previous lectures, lecture number 5, 6, 7, 8, we have discussed about various benefits of friendship and also some negative aspect also. So, today we are going to discuss about the other importance of friendship. In the previous class, we have discussed how friend is wiser than ourselves, how friend is, we can simply say dry. Dry means who is not selfish. How friend is wiser than us, and how friend is always guide us. And today Francis Bacon talks about the two counsel, means the advices. Counsel of two types here he talks. One, the counsel of manner, and other is counsel of business. According to him, both the counsel given by the friend are useful. Counsel of manners and the second, the counsel of business. Both the counsel given by the close, faithful, and true friend is always good according to Francis Bacon, because Francis Bacon is firm with the idea that the friend's counsel, guidance, advice, suggestion, or we can call it as a, in the another term, as a admonition. ॲडमॉनिशन म्हणजे तंबी देणे. मी जे सांगतो ते कर, दॅट इज व्हेरी युजफुल फॉर यू, जे तुझ्यासाठी फायद्याचं आहे. म्हणून तो सांगतो की इफ यू वॉन्ट टू कीप or maintain or put your body in balance, you have to simply follow the admonition of a true friend. If you wanted to keep mind in health, जर तुमचं आरोग्य चांगलं ठेवायचं असेल तर तुम्ही मित्राचा सल्ला ऐका. ॲडमॉनिशन जो तो रागात जरी सांगत असेल तरी तो तुमच्या फायद्याचा असतो, कारण की त्याचा काहीच स्वार्थ नसतो. ही इज नॉट सेल्फिश बिकॉज he is called as a dry. Dry cold means clear, clean, ideal, moral, and also always supportive and faithful advice. So here he talks about the two type of counsel. One is counsel of manner and another is counsel of business. After the discussion of the hours discussion with a friend is ideally good, more good than the day's meditation of our own. दिवसभर एखाद्या विषयावर चिंतन करून मार्ग निघत नाही, परंतु एक तास अर्धा तास मित्रासोबत जर बोललात तर सर्व गोष्टीचं सोल्युशन निघतं. आधीच्या क्लासमध्ये आपण असं पण बघितलं की मित्रासोबत बोलल्यानंतर दुःख तर हलकं होतं, इव्हन अर्ध्यावर येतं, किंबहुना कमी होतं, आणि त्याच्यासोबत आपलं आनंद शेअर केला तर तो द्विगुणित होतो. सो माय डिअर फ्रेंड, counsel of friend is always good and useful for also. And further he talks about don't read, because here he says only follow the friend's counsel if you have a close friend, and don't, even he says don't read the morality books. Morality books. Here he says reading books on morality is little flat and dead. Don't read moral books. Here Francis Bacon suggests us, because morality books always make you flat and dead, means they are not very useful for us. Instead, you simply follow the friend's counsel, which is very useful, though it seems as a admonition. Further, Francis Bacon talks about the another idea. Here he says, only follow the friend's counsel, instead finding our faults into the others. Francis Bacon says, don't find our faults into others, and that is according to him unproper. This is not unproper. हे योग्य नाही की आपले दोष दुसऱ्यामध्ये शोधणे. Here he says, but the best receipt is the admonition of a friend. Instead, you simply follow, he says, you simply follow the admonition of a friend, because that is dry and also wiser than us. So, my dear friends, again I will tell you what Francis Bacon says, only follow the counsel of a friend, though it is admonition. म्हणजे धमकी वजा तंबीवजा असेल तर, कारण की त्याचा त्याच्यामध्ये काही फायदाच नसतो. So, simply he says in the very beginning, in lecture number 9 of friendship, he says, if you want to keep your health in mind or in balance, simply follow the admonition of a close friend. One thing. Secondly, don't read morality books, because they are, or they make us flat and dead, means they don't give any clear cut idea about our decision, about our purpose, or about solving our problems. And even thirdly, he says, don't find our faults in others. That is improper and also wasting of time, and also not there is any type of sign of improvement we will find. So, my dear friend, simply follow always the counsel of a close friend, though it is bitter, though it is, we doesn't seem good, but that is always useful according to Francis Bacon. Because being a philosopher, humanist, and ideal human being, Francis Bacon highlights his views only for the use and benefit of mankind, and that will always applicable for generation after generation. Because how long the humanity lives, how long the humanity lives, his decision is, his advice is always good. Further, he talks about the counsel of manners, he talks about the counsel of business after the manners. According to Francis Bacon, in the second counsel, he talks about one thing, that counsel given by a friend is always good than the physician, which gives you the advice that you follow so and so without knowing your body and your. So he says, counsel given by a friend is a perfect and perfect. Counsel means advice given by a friend is perfect. Here he says the counsel given by a friend, according to Francis Bacon, the counsel of a friend is always perfect and also very useful. So, my dear friend, always follow the counsel of a friend which is quite good, which is quite helpful, and which is very day to day usable. After this, he says, faithful friend is not like a physician. He says, faithful friend is not like a physician, because here he makes the decision between the friend and physician. Because physician, when you go with a complaint towards the doctor saying that I have so and so problem, at that time the doctor doesn't know about your body, about your nature, about your interest and everything, but then also he gives the counsel and you follow, but that doesn't find most of the time suitable and perfect. But the faithful friend suggestion, according to Francis Bacon, is always good, because friend is totally acquainted with your whole body, whole nature and everything. But the physician, according to Francis Bacon, is not acquainted with 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 your body. So, in a state following the physician's advice, you follow the friend's advice. According to him, the friend's faithful friend's advice is always good than the advice of the friend. Here he comes with that idea. Why? Why? He says that the friend is, according to him, what? The friend is always acquainted with man's state and will beware you. Because only friend, not doctor, not parents, not any relatives are aware with your whole. So he says, friend is wholly means completely acquainted with. Acquainted with म्हणजे ओळखीत असतो, परिचय असतो, माहित असणे. Acquainted with a man's state, with a man's state, and will beware you totally. Beware means जागा करणे. Aware you about the nature, future, upcoming problems, solutions, that than the doctor and anyone. So the friend, because friend is always lives with you and he totally know your nature. So the friend bewares you म्हणजे जागा करतो, चांगला सल्ला देतो, कारण की त्याला पूर्णपणे तुमच्या स्वभावाची आणि बाकीच्या गोष्टीची सुद्धा माहिती असते, जे की एखाद्या फिजिशियनला म्हणजे डॉक्टरला किंवा दुसऱ्याला माहीत नसते. सो ही सेज therefore म्हणजे म्हणून Therefore, you don't rest on scattered counsel. Therefore, don't follow the scattered म्हणजे don't follow the scattered counsel. वेगवेगळ्या लोकांचा सल्ला ऐकू नका. Therefore, don't follow the scattered counsel. वेगवेगळ्या लोकांचे सल्ले घेऊ नका. Only follow the friends counsel. Otherwise, the scattered counsel will distract you for or mislead you from the main purpose. Only follow scattered counsel. They will what do? They will mislead म्हणजे चुकीचा मार्ग दाखवतात एक आणि डिस्ट्रॅक्ट करतात. मेन पर्पज पासून तुम्हाला ते काय करणार? डिस्ट्रॅक्ट करणार. ते will totally mislead you and distract you than settle and giving direct information. Then settle and give direct information. So, my dear friend, Francis Bacon is of the view that totally follow the friend's counsel, guidance, advice, and which is always useful to you, not for a temporary period but forever. Because if you don't believe on your close friend, faithful friend, true friend, or only friend, then what will happen? If you take the decision, counsel from other people, then what will happen? Each and everyone will give you the different type of counsel, like the doctor who not totally acquainted with your body, nature and everything, so they will distract you. म्हणजे चुकीचा मार्ग सांगणार, मिसलीड यू, दुसरीकडेच घेऊन जाणार. आणि मुख्यतः तुम्ही ज्या विषयी माहिती घेणार, सल्ला घेणार, त्याच्यात सेटल न होता तुम्ही क्लिअर मार्ग न पकडता, योग्य मार्ग न पकडता तुम्ही भलतीकडेच किंवा दुसरीकडेच भरकटलेले जाल. म्हणून फ्रान्सिस बेकन इज ऑफ द ओपिनियन दॅट ओनली फॉलो द क्लोज, ओनली friends advice or counsel which is always good, which is always like admonition, which is always keeps you health in mind, body in mind, and also makes your future more brighter, which solves your darkness on your path, and also makes your day more brighter than the earlier, and also it makes you to follow henceafter the only ideal path instead reading the books on morality, because they always makes you flat and dead. So in each and every way, Francis Bacon only want to explain, highlight the importance of friendship. But one thing you remember forever, don't take various people's advice. And if you take, suppose you think that you have 5 friends and you on one issue take 5 friends advice in the form of, we call it counsel, then you will never get succeed. So according to Francis Bacon, one must have only one friend, not many, because if you choose many friends, that will be not useful. So in today's lecture number 9, Francis Bacon highlights the importance of friendship, which is quite useful. So he says, only follow friends' admonition, which he calls the counsel. One. Secondly, he says, don't read morality books, which make always flat and dead. Thirdly, he says, don't find our faults in others. That is, he says, improper. Or we can simply say wasting of time where there is no solution. And if you read morality books, they always give you the flat and dead information, and they kill your activism or activeness. And in fourthly, he says, only friends' advice is the receipt, means the solution received of faithful friend is the solution on each and every matter, aspect and everything. So finally, Francis Bacon says, only follow friends' advice, instead doctor or anyone, because they were totally unacquainted with your body. So here finally says, don't follow or take scattered decisions, scattered counsel, because they totally mislead you or they totally distract you from your way, from your settlement and from your everything. So with this brief introduction on of friendship, I stop here. In the upcoming lecture, lecture number 10, we will discuss the third fruit of friendship and the other benefits of friendship. So my dear students, I stop here with this little bit information on friendship. Thank you very much.